I hope so. Looks like it to me.
Is there a square at the red button?
Yes, dear.
Okay, good.
Uh-oh. Here comes an armed robber.
Oh, God!
Ah! Oh, and there she goes. My daughter's protecting me. Woo! She's a ninja.
Yes! Shit.
You hurt yourself.
I'm dead.
Oh!
That's overkill. That's overkill, what that is.
Well, if you're in pain.
I'm not in pain, I'm dead. Alright. Can you find your ammo? Okay, ready? No, I'm looking for your ammo. What? I have my ammo. Oh, wait. No, I need one more. See, that's... Okay, Grandma can't keep going forever. Come on. Okay. Ready? Oh, wait, I forgot. Don't... Yeah, I can't have it, like... Okay. Ready? Yeah. Set. Go.
Wow, she's a ninja.
I watch a lot of CSI.
She's watched a lot of spy movies.
No.
Ah!
Yes! Yes!
Okay, guys, my arm is getting tired.
Okay, one more. One more time. And then we're done. Ready? Get set. I'm not ready. Go. Okay. Get ready to get taken down to the ground. Oh no! I'm not ready. I don't care if you're ready. Ow! Oh! You know what?
Okay, that's it.